Hi, my name is Kara Woodhouse. I'm the principal owner of Kara Woodhouse Interiors. I specialize in high-end residential and commercial design. I work nationally, internationally. I go wherever my work takes me. I try when I design to try and break barriers, think out of the box, do things different, put a little twist on it. I've kind of labeled this as eye candy, something that people will take away from. They're like, what is that? That's amazing. My family and I, we lived in Brooklyn and loved it, but it definitely is a faster paced life. One of the reasons why we've chosen to move to the North Shore of Long Island is still connected to the city, but we have a beautiful surrounding, and felt like I really wanted to give that to my kids, having them enjoy space. We truly fell in love, not only with this area, but this house that we purchased. A mid-century modern home, flat roof, original, never touched, built in 1961, beautiful herringbone floors and skylights. When you look up, you see like beautiful trees everywhere. So really wanted to renovate the house and bring it back to all its glory. Whether you're a cook or not, people congregate in the kitchen. That's the heart and the hub, I think, of most homes. I wanted to have beautiful, amazing appliances to cook on. I love cooking. So for me, working with Monogram, I've used them for 20-something years of my career. I'm very familiar. I love their products. Hearing feedback from my clients, being so happy with the product and how long they've lasted is truly important to me, the quality. So the line that I went with for my kitchen is the minimalist line. I did 30-inch side-by-side refrigerator and freezer, a Monogram dishwasher. We built out a children's pantry because I wanted an area that's like easy for my kids. There are refrigerator drawers, grab your drinks, there are drawers, grab your snacks. And then I have my ovens. I have a 5-in-1 Advantium, which has so many different features. It has a microwave, a speed cooker, it has an air fryer. That's something that I use all the time. They have all this technology where you get updates on everything, so they're appreciating over time, and they're going to be more useful in 5 years when a new update comes out, which is incredible. Function, quality is always number one for me. All those little details that go into every little thing, that's part of the luxury experience that you don't even realize. Moving a handle or a button, turning something on, how it turns on, how your food is cooked and prepared in a high-end luxury appliance, you see the difference. And then on top of that, all of those amazing things, it's beautiful. This is the eye candy in my kitchen. I really feel like this is our dream home. It's luxurious, but homey and comforting and, you know, home, just home. And I can't wait for the finished product. It's gonna be amazing. I'm never gonna leave this kitchen. I'm gonna be in here all the time.